Hello, and welcome to Chief Architect Software. The Quick Start training videos are designed to help you get started quickly. Before you begin, let me give you a quick overview that will help you to make the most out of your learning experience. In the Quick Start video series, you will find basic videos that cover several areas of the program. I would encourage you to begin by watching the Floor Plan Basics video. The Defaults and Preferences videos can help you to understand which settings to verify or change before you begin designs such as those for floor, ceiling, and platform heights to make the process easier and more efficient. Chief Architect uses template files that have many of these default settings defined for ease of use. When you start your first project, the program will ask you which template to use, one that's optimized for interior designers, or one optimized for full residential designers. You can always change this later in your preferences. As you get comfortable using the software, there are settings you will likely want to customize for your own template plan, such as room height, cabinet colors, or title blocks for layout pages. Chief Architect uses two files in the design process: plan files and layout files. The plan file is where you begin and create floor plans, elevations, and sections. Saved plan views are used in the plan files to isolate specific views, layers, and defaults such as framing, electrical, and kitchen and bath. You can create custom saved plan views as you need. Within the plan file are work areas called CAD details, where you can create schedules for doors, windows, and cabinets, or create CAD drawings for added detail in your plans. These files are stored in the CAD detail section of the plan file to keep your workspace organized. The layout file is where you manage and organize your construction drawings at scale. From the plan file, you send views to the layout file. The layout file is linked to the plan file and will update as your plan file changes and evolves. Since the layout and plan files are linked, it's good practice to store these two files in the same folder. In addition to the Quick Start videos, you will find several additional videos organized around playlists. These videos have added detail beyond the introductory videos in the Quick Start playlist. In the support area of the website, we have a knowledge base with how-to articles that show step-by-step instructions on various topics. Built into the program is the help system. In addition to categories and search, there is a reference manual and a user's guide that has a written tutorial for developing a sample house project. Chief Talk is a user community resource that you can post questions to and search for answers. Finally, you will find training classes and personalized one-on-one training we can conduct online tailored for your specific needs. We hope you enjoy using and learning Chief Architect.